part will be to create the top of the lamp. So we'll go to create a new component and we'll just call it the shade. And I'm going to switch my origins on, go to sketch, create sketch on this plane. So you can see the green and the red intersect. So I'll sketch a line and I'll just pan down, hit escape, and I'm going to draw a line and I'll just come down to here and then I'll finish it off like so. Now I would like to actually fillet this back edge here and here, automatically defaults, and then I'd also like to fillet this edge just to take away that sharp area there, so between that edge and that edge, and it automatically defaults at 3, and I'll leave that as it is, press enter, and then I'll stop that sketch, press home, and you'll see if I zoom out you can see that I've drawn that above the plane if you like, this sort of surface here. So if I just orbit that around, you can see, look, that's exactly where I've drawn it, and I'm happy with that. So again, I'll press home and then just zoom out a little bit. Now I'd like to create a revolve, and I'd like to click on that profile and this long axis here, and it spins that profile around, and I could mess around with that if I want, make it that shape, but I'm going to leave it where it is and press OK. So now I've got this lamp shade, and obviously I'm going to fit a bulb in the back, but at the moment this is solid and I'd like to make it hollow. So if I go to shell, this front surface, and just type in any random value, 1, so that thickness between here and here looks a bit thick to me, and I've got it set at 1 millimeter. So let's try half of that, 0.5. There we go, and I'll press OK. And let's have a look inside to see what that has actually done. Go, so that's hollowed it out. Now I need to actually put a hole through here to finish off this lamp. So if I go to sketch, create sketch, on that back edge it automatically turns. Then go to the sketch, a center diameter circle, and go for the middle and drag out a proportional circle, and then stop your sketch. Go to create, extrude that profile and click on the arrow and drag it, and you'll see that it becomes a cut, and then press OK. So I've now got a hole for a bulb to be inserted in. The next bit is to have a look at these two edges here and give them a nice soft edge. So go for fillet, both edges, and I know that that's quite thin, so I'm going to put in 0.2, press OK, and then orbit around just to have a look. Zoom out a bit. Yeah, there you go. So I've now created my main unit.